my field of expertise is engineering. So I have experience with mechanical and also in nuclear engineering. So I consider myself to be an engineer. I chose this engineering profession because I wanted to be innovative. I wanted to basically contribute to the society. And also, especially when it comes to teaching, I want to basically convey and actually educate the students and make them actually ready for the industry. So that's one of the things I actually wanted to do in my career. There are so many projects I have been involved with. I think starting with the one of the buildings that we put together for the University Energy Research Center. I actually created the proposals with my dean, and we actually helped to get the funding. So it was almost like $46 million. That's one of the big projects, and actually it make it a reality, and we built the building, one of the most innovative research center for the campus. So we had difficulties at the beginning to basically find out what are the unique basics things that the student need to basically cater for them. So we had to cut down some cost, like through the whole design process, as well as from the construction side. So the key difficulty is to basically select what we can do to make the space more innovative for the students. Recently, I think some of the projects that we have been doing to basically improve the learning environment for our students. One of the labs that actually we put together, we call a Sigma lab. So where actually we take our students and actually expose them to the industry and actually improve their innovative skills in a good learning environment. So through this Sigma lab, the student actually from first year to fourth year, they get a chance to interact with the students. So this is not a part of their regular coursework. This is something extra they actually can contribute and actually improve their learning skills. My teaching philosophy is sort of not unique. It actually evolves. So based on which year that I'm teaching, it actually changes. But I have a basic concept, which is basically we are taking these young students who are coming from high school and to mold them actually and make them ready for the industry. So we are talking about the specific industry, which is engineering. And also this engineering, our faculty belongs to Faculty of Energy Systems and Nuclear Engineers, and these students are going to be nuclear engineers, which is safety is one of the main key factors. But what we do in our discipline, we actually take our students through this journey. So this is something our dean put together. So this actually describes the graduate attributes these students need to have at the end of the 4 years. So some of them actually I can go through very quickly: knowledge base, problem analysis, investigation, design, use of engineering tools, individual and teamwork, communication skills, professionalism, impact to the society and environment, ethics and equity, economics, and project management, and lifelong learning. So these are some of the grad attributes they need to have. So my way of teaching them basically through the courses, actually I'll pick some of them and actually we will deliver that to the students and making sure they know what these skills are and how they can apply the skills, and also how they can apply the skills for industry-related problems. So they will be ready when they graduate from our program. The good teaching actually is coming from how well you can actually deliver your message to your students, and also what they would remember about what you have taught them. So it actually involves a little bit of skills, means like how you can get them engaged through your style of teaching and actually get them involved, and also to see are they following it through, and also can they actually apply what you have taught to a problem or to the industry related issues. I incorporate active learning and experiential learning into a course basically bring in experiential learning and also some of the basic tools into the course. One of the courses that I teach is engineering graphics and design at the first year nuclear engineering programs. So what I actually do, I actually ask our students to bring Play-Doh from home and actually started using Play-Dohs to create models at the beginning. Then actually I get them to use their pencils again, which they have forgotten a long time, because now everyone is used to using their cell phones. But now I want to change that concept, basically get them to use the pencil. They started actually using sketches and use their pencil and a piece of paper to convey their ideas, what they have in their mind, to a group of people. So then beyond that point, then after that I bring models and the measuring tools to the classroom, and I use them actually to teach. So that way actually not only students learn the theory, and also right now in the classroom they actually apply them into an active learning environment. My favorite part for my job is to basically satisfaction you get from a student. If a student comes to you and said, is Sharman or prop, like, I actually use the tools that you have given me and all the things that you have given me, and I've actually got a job. I think these are the things I actually told them when I go for the interview, and they really liked it. That's the most satisfactory story that I can hear from a student. The hardest part of my job when it comes to teaching is basically deal with the students who need some extra help. So we all actually do engage with our students all the time, but to help the specific students who needs extra help is sort of a hardest for me, because it's difficult to basically first understand the issues that the students are having these days. And most of the students, they don't expose and they don't tell you the issues they are having. So, and it's difficult for us to guide them if we don't know what the issues are, because your university itself has infrastructure that to help these students. But in order to help these students, they need to actually open up and actually tell us what the issues they are having so we can help them. The advices that I can offer for new instructors is to basically get involved with our students and actually talk to them. And they are not just a number. We should actually give them a name. And we all should know our students in the class. And we should try to learn their names as we go along and to get close to them. So have sort of an open door policy. I know it's difficult, but try to have an open door policy. They can approach you and they can tell you what they need. So through that, you can be creative, innovative, and cater for that specific group of students who actually need help, because that's why they are here. Our goal is to basically teach them and to mold them to become a good, safe engineers in the future.